And that was my biggest take, that to make 11 episodes without losing its grip was a big challenge from me. I come from a filmmaking background. 2 घंटा is good enough time. But 4 साढ़े 4 घंटे का जो time होता है, that was a big challenge. So that was my biggest take, that to make this series interesting, all good-looking people, all big stars and good-looking visuals, and we had to make it interesting. Yeah.
So talking about the back end, as we are actually going ahead and saying that we have some big names involved into this series, how was your experience handling them on the back end?
They were actually very cooperative because I worked with all of them for the first time, and they supported me a lot because in one day we were shooting some scenes which were from the first episode, the 9th episode, the 6th episode, and वो जो graph है, only few of us knew कि यहाँ से यहाँ कहाँ जा रहा है. So the actors trusted the creative team which was there, not only me but my entire direction team, the channel के जो लोग थे and the creative heads of from the production house जो थे. We used to explain to them कि आप यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहे हो, and they trusted us fully. So I think the biggest thing which as a director was that the trust of the characters, or trust of the artists rather. They all come from big backgrounds. Arbaz sir, Freddy, everybody. कोई NSD का है, कोई FTI का है, कोई producers है, कोई actors है, सब assorted ensemble cast जो है, उन्होंने trust किया, which was the biggest thing for a person like me.
And from the audience perspective, what is the one thing which you are looking forward from the audience perspective when they have a look at the series?
Enjoyment. You can just start and you go into the series. From the first scene onwards, each character which we have got. This was just the first episode where we have, जो हमने actually build up किया है. यहाँ से actually story जो शुरू होगी, वो second episode से catch होगा. First episode में हर character कौन है, कहाँ से आ रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, उतना ही था. Second episode से actually grip शुरू होगा. When people start dying, people start killing, people start revenge starts. सबके purpose क्या है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, ये actually second episode से catch होगा. First episode में है पर I would still say that first episode is the slowest episode of all the 11.
I'm sure. I think first episode you introduce the characters which we have in. One last question from my side, that as you mentioned that you are more from the film background, which is more difficult to direct, a series or a film?
I would say both have got its own sensibilities, क्योंकि फिल्म का जो होता है ऑडियंस कम्प्लीटली अलग होता है, कैप्टिव ऑडियंस होता है. थिएटर के अंदर आने के बाद आप हिल नहीं सकते हो, बाहर जाके आप गाली देते हो पर अंदर आप हिल नहीं सकते हो. यहाँ पे आपका जो ऑडियंस है वो देख रहा है, आपके व्हाट्सएप आते हैं, मैसेजेस आते हैं, कोई फ़ोन आता है, तो फ़ोन पे काफ़ी सारे ऑडियंस होते हैं. तो हर सीन का जो टेम्पो होता है वो लिखा हुआ जो होता है उससे 20-25% ऊपर बिल्डअप करना पड़ता है टू होल्ड दैट ऑडियंस. सो बोथ आर डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज एक में आपका ऑडियंस जो अंदर रहेगा बाहर जाने के बाद गाली दे सकता है, यहाँ पे होल्ड करना. So both are tricky, both are difficult, yeah.
Truly said. So I think we have our star cast with us and we would like to welcome them on the stage. So yes, please can we have a round of applause for first of all, Mr. Arbaz Khan with us. And can we have the whole star cast? Yes, Mr. Tanuj Virwani, Mr. Freddy Daruwala, Miss Riya Sen, Miss Archana Gupta and Miss Pranali Rai. And we would also like to welcome on stage our producers, Miss Bhakti Peneke and Mr. Vinayak Jain. All right, still we have our whole star cast coming. I think people were eagerly waiting that when we will have all the people who have worked so hard behind the ZEE5 original Poison. And I think, Arbaz sir, I really need to ask you that after, I'm sure that this is the first association with ZEE5 and that too on a digital platform. I really want to know how was your journey, like how do you feel it is so different from a film background to a digital platform?
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for being here. Answering your question, this is my first association with Zee, and in fact, at the same time, I've got a show also which they have it's on their platform, my chat show, Pinch. Digital is the way to go also. It's like, it's going to get only bigger and better. If you see from compared to the West, how it has grown, we probably must be in the infant stages right now, but we are also going to go to that same level sooner or later. We'll have some really big series being made. We'll have created some great content. We'll have some great talent come and do stuff on it, whether they are actors, filmmakers, or technicians on this thing. Budgets are going to go very big. As like just take for example like Game of Thrones, the kind of curiosity or the excitement that people have to see a show like that of that magnitude come on the digital platform. Similar scenarios are going to happen in India sooner or later. So it's definitely going to be along with cinema coexisting, and that is going to be a reality. So that is something that we all will have to live with.
All right.
You're just happen to see the first episode, right? Okay, I haven't seen it though. How is it? How do you like it? Acha laga? Huh? Chalo, good.
Well, after having a
Yeah,
look,
ये हमारा promising actor है. मैं तो एक छोटा सा रोल कर रहा हूँ.
सर आप भी ना
so this actually states that he's so ground to earth. Like, yes, it's okay. We have to give all the importance to the other actors, still be on the back end.
He's got a very, very amazing role and he's done so well.
I'm
Thank
sure,
you, seriously.
truly, we have already witnessed all the characters in the first episode, introducing all the characters, and yes, believe me, you people have done already a great job. Looking forward for more episodes. So I think the best thing about a series is that once we have a look at the first episode, people should want more. So this
ऐसा लगा?
is, yes,
ऐसा
this
लगा,
is,
end of the first episode, you all felt like you want to see the next one? Because I have seen some of the Indian series, they are so amazing. I also felt like यार next वाला देखना चाहिए. मैंने कुछ series like binge watch किए, एक ही दिन के अंदर 5-5 6-6 episode देखे, तो वो curiosity इसमें भी आया, तो I'll be happy.
well, I'm sure the audience gonna definitely accept it. But coming to you,
Hi, what's up?
hello, yes. So I'm sure that he already shared his experience coming up onto the digital platform. But I really need to know from you, how was your experience going ahead, coming up with something on a digital platform and being association with Z5?
Firstly, I just want to take this chance to apologize to each and every one of you for being super late. But I hope you'll enjoy the first episode. I have not seen it myself, so I don't know how it is. I hope it's good. From the looks on your faces, I think.
Say why, you were shooting till when?
Yeah.
Yesterday they were shooting.
अभी shoot से आ रहा हूँ हाँ तो but see I feel and I think I can speak on behalf of all my fellow co-actors on the show that we live in a very lucky time that earlier there used to just be television and there'd be films, right? And with the web series and the OTT platforms coming up, there's so much more that is out there for us to go on. It could be the cast, it could be the crew, any kind of talent, because I think it might take time for talent to get out there and get the right opportunities, but the web has definitely done a huge thing for all of us. And when this show was pitched to me, I sprang upon it. I'm like, I have to be a part of this because I don't like doing these boy next door type of roles. I like this kind of like edgy kind of stuff. Are you the hero? Are you the villain? Are you a antagonist, protagonist, whatever. So I think this show offered me a lot of shades and a lot of scope to go and really, hopefully, make my director, producer, and the rest of the star cast really happy. So yeah, OTT is the way to go. It's the future. In fact, I think it's the present and the future. So.
Well, right now, I am sure that this is definitely the thing which we are the new generation is definitely looking forward for. But let me tell you, the director is super happy with the star cast. Before you people arrived, he was like gaga over the star cast that I'm so happy with everyone.
हमारे सामने हमारी तारीफ करो यार.
He wants to hear himself.
No, like I said that Arwa sir comes from such a big background and वो खुद उनकी फिल्म प्रोड्यूस हो रही थी and I think Dabangg 3 is on the floor already and हमने उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया कि एक सीन जो हमारा था he came flew all the way down did our scene goes back ये जो कमिटमेंट है towards this series was tremendous सब एक्टरों की like तनुज का भी एक दूसरी एक सीरीज चालू है but हेयर स्टाइल मेंटेन करना सब जो है and I can't tell you like other actors जो है जैसे फैजल है जो FTI के है उनका वर्किंग था सो हाउ मच यू कैन गेन जो एक शॉर्ट टाइम में हम शूट करते हैं 11 एपिसोड एक 40-45 दिन में हम जो शूट करते हैं 11, 12, 13 एक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ हर एक्टर अपने स्पेस में बड़ा है हाउ मच दे कोऑपरेटेड टू द डायरेक्शन टीम एंड टू द क्रिएटिव टीम वाज फैंटास्टिक आई रियली कैनॉट आस्क फॉर मोर फॉर आई एम डायरेक्टिंग लाइक दिस So I think it's enough. And
We are happy now, sir. We are very
Happy,
happy.
thank you. इतने चल जाएगा इतने में.
नहीं, इट्स लाइक बस मेरे बारे में बोल दिया, वहाँ पे अभी खत्म हो गया.
he's a promising actor, and he has actually promised us a party. So I agree that he's a promising actor. Yeah.
Tonight, sir. Tonight, done.
All right, coming to the beautiful lady we have here. Well, as usual, I'm sure that everyone in the house would love to know that how was it actually to get the male attention every time on the set?
Hello everyone. Okay, I'll start with this that the web series. This is my first web series, and it's really amazing platform for everyone, for all the talents, like director to actors, for everyone to showcase their talent. So I'm lucky that I've done this. Yeah, like Arvaz said, ki till yesterday or day before we were shooting for that, and my experience was really good because my co-actors are amazing. We became like a family. Though I never had any scene with Arbaz, but
No spoilers.
okay, people will see. Sorry, but yeah, and Jatin sir was really good. He know how to explain the scene, so we were doing, and we had very limited time to do that. But yeah, that whole team was amazing.
I'm also here.
अच्छा तनु यस इसके साथ काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया. इवन फ्रेडी, आई एम प्लेइंग फ्रेडीज वाइफ. तो सब बहुत अच्छा था. सबकी तारीफ है. बस मैं चाहती हूँ सब लोग देखें, अच्छे रिव्यूज़ दें और बहुत पसंद करें. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, and I'm sure that we are looking forward to play your character in the series as well. But before we have other star cast here, I think this is a photo opportunity with all the star casts whom we already have here on the stage. So you people can come ahead. Oh, finally, yes, we have other people here joining us on the stage. Yes, we have the beautiful Riya Sen. Well, from one, yes, everyone, please go ahead. This is the photo opportunity, as I mentioned earlier. Can we have the second unit director on the stage, please? Mr. Omkar, if I'm not wrong.
Oh, second director. Hard working.
Well,
Come,
yes,
guys, come.
well, we have the whole star cast here. So, yes, we have Freddie Daruwala and Archana Gupta. All right, so before we actually go ahead to the media out there for the question and answers, as we have yes, we have pictures left, so let's go ahead and complete that first. So after the media question answers, you'll get more opportunity to click their pictures. Okay, so as we have two of them arriving, we already had a word with everyone, but we had three pass the mic to her. Okay. Even I was eagerly waiting to have a word with you. So I just have one question popping up right now that your sister has already been associated with Z5 earlier, and this is your first association with them. But we really need to know that how's your experience been associated with Z5 after having a look at your sister's experience. Like she has done, if I'm not wrong, two, three, yes, series and everything.
In fact, when she was shooting and she came back from Simla, she was like, I was shooting with Z5. And I was like, 1 minute. I also spoke to them. I messaged Tarun Katyal. And immediately in 2 days I got this offer. And I think it's amazing because I've always wanted to work with Z5 and I think it's the best platform today. And I've had a wonderful experience and yeah, I'm very happy about it. Thank you.
And before we go ahead and have a word with him, anything you want to add on about Poison?
Not really. I'm sure they've already said everything. But going to the sets yesterday, and I'm glad that they have said everything. It's interesting. It's about lust and love and power and red dresses and today I wore a green dress because that is Poison. So yeah, please watch it. It's very different. It looks like a film. It's massy and fussy. It's got all these lovely people and
Well said. I'm sure you framed it everything, like all the adjectives you could put in to express your
I'm
feelings
learning
for
from
Poison.
Arbaz. I'm learning a lot from Arbaz. His interviews. From Tanuj a little bit, Freddie a little bit, but mostly from Arbaz.
Right now he's loving all the attention he's getting right from when he was there on the stage. Alright, so I'm sure the media is eagerly waiting and we will be going ahead and opening the...
सोनम तुम सिर्फ मेरी
You
आवाज
have to
सुनना
repeat
है
everything.
ठीक है
Okay, so as I was mentioning, the floor will be open. अच्छा, मेरी आ रही है?
रेडी सर को
Okay.
बोलते हैं, आवाज आ
So,
गई।
So I don't want them to be standing here and answer your questions. So if you could have the chairs up here, please.
No, it's okay. I think
Yes?
I get.
Okay. So yes, anyone out there? I'm sure our media friends are looking forward and they have a lot of questions related to Poison. So I'm sure the... Okay, so the floor is open to all our media friends out there. Anyone, please just stop. Yes.
You're a pioneer, you're a senior. Yeah, it's not really different, you know. The kind of standards that you look in films, they're being followed here. So you need a script, you need actors, you need a camera, you need a director, you need a good production design, you need everything. You need the same stuff that is going to be made over here. Maybe the storytelling style and the content differs on different platforms. Like on television, it requires it to be different. Maybe if you're doing a play, it's different. But when you're doing something on a digital platform, it's different. So that's about it. But the kind of standards or the kind of work that you want is pretty much the same. It's just going from one set to the other. That's it. कुछ अलग नहीं, इतना बहुत कुछ अलग नहीं करना पड़ता है कि बस अपना काम करो, कैरेक्टर में चले जाओ and work and do it effectively. That's about it. Oh, वो चीजें अलग हैं. वो you're right. वाजा कुछ ऐसी भी फिल्में की हैं जो एकदम टीवी सीरियल जैसी बनी है. ऐसा भी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि उनमें कुछ 14 घंटे का काम नहीं हुआ. ऐसा भी होता है. वो सिर्फ संजय लीला बंसाली की फिल्म में होता है जहाँ 1 या 2 शॉट होते हैं पूरे दिन के अंदर. बाकी सारी फिल्मों में आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, पर काफी काम करना पड़ता है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट संजय लीला भाई डज ग्रेट फिल्म्स, बट इट्स ग्रेट टू वर्क विद हिम कि भैया आराम से मजे से काम करो. But everywhere else, you've got a kind of a dictate of how much scenes you need to do in a day. because there are budget constraints. Maybe on television or on digital platform, you have to do a little more because उनके budgets या उनके जो requirements से थोड़े ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो minimum 12-12 घंटे का काम होता है. And I want to ask तनुज कि उसने कितने घंटे काम किया है? क्योंकि और फ्रेडी ने, क्योंकि हम सब ने 12-12 घंटे काम किया, पर वो अभी वो requirement है. That is, you won't be able to finish the work unless you do that. But if
12
you want-
घंटा काम और उसके बाद 12 घंटा ओवर टाइम. फ्रेडी.
Okay, so I play this like a Goa drug lord called Antonio Vergis. On the face of it, he's like a suave businessman, maybe having some legit business, but behind he's got all these illegal businesses, and he's a very ruthless man who doesn't stop at getting whatever he wants in his life, no matter what he has to do for it. And that's what it is. And then he confronts these wonderful young men in his life, and how the story goes and how their interaction with my character is what the whole show is all about. I wouldn't disclose too much about it, but I would love if that was the case. It's not that. Is there? She's the one next to me. Is there? Was there? No, no, there wasn't.
अरबाज जी
Any indication of that?
Freddie,
अरबाज जी चैट शो भी कर रहे हैं आप एंड वेब सीरीज की दुनिया में भी डेब्यू कर रहे हैं एंड सलमान खान जी के साथ में दबंग 3 भी कर रहे हैं, तो सबसे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट आपको कहाँ फील होता है, लाइक सलमान खान के साथ में या आप बताइए?
समझ गया ना?
नहीं, कुछ वॉइस आपकी आएगी तो हमें स्टोरी
Then
मिलेगी.
Dabang 3 is obviously there's. I wouldn't say this was easy or a breeze, but थोड़ा सा वहाँ requirements ज़्यादा है. I am a producer also. I'm an actor also. I'm also looking after Salman Khan's lot of like coordination and all that. तो थोड़ा सा वो मेरे लिए वो responsibility थोड़ी ज़्यादा है. ये यहाँ पर मैं as an actor ही आता हूँ, अपना काम करता हूँ. मेरे पास creative मुझे सिर्फ अपने character पे ध्यान देना होता है. Talk show में it's quite a breeze. 1-1.5 घंटे में मैं खत्म कर देता हूँ. Whenever I start the chat show, from the time we start rolling to time we finish the interviews, 2 घंटे में खत्म हो जाता है. तो it's not such a big thing. Like so, Dabang 3 is a very big responsibility. Yes.
And
हाँ तो इसलिए तो right है.
yeah, Freddie.
जब पॉइजन की बात होती है अरबाज जी, रिया एंड फ्रेडी जी, कोई भी
ये
जवाब
सब
दे
भी
सकता
हैं इधर यार.
पॉइजन की
सभी
बात
पूछो.
होती है तो क्या कुछ आप लोगों के जहन में आता है?
देखो पॉइजन इस फिल्म के अंदर इज नॉट कि जो आपने कुछ खा लिया पॉइजन. ये वो क्या बोलते हैं, क्या टिक 20 नहीं है ये कि सब टिक 20 लेके सो गए, ऐसा नहीं है. ये पॉइजन मतलब कि किसी की जिंदगी में ग्रीड पॉइजन हो सकता है, पावर पॉइजन हो सकता है, लस्ट पॉइजन हो सकता है, किसी किस्म का ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स दैट कैन डिस. देखो ये पॉइजन है. दिस इज डिस्ट्रैक्शन इज ऑल्सो पॉइजन. कि किसी को आप कोई चीज करने से रोको, पॉइजनस हो जाता है. So she's that. So it's in your emotion what you gets corrupted can get poisonous. So it's about that. So everybody has a different. In my case, greed might turn out to be the poison of my life. Somebody's revenge is कि जो गुस्सा है वो है. किसी के पास कुछ और हो, lust है वो. When it goes beyond a certain point, can get very dangerous and poisonous in your life. Yes, thank you.
जी जी ये पंक्चुअल के ये पंक्चुअल का मैंने आंसर दिया तो मुझे पंच एक्चुअल मिल जाएगा, पंच. बट नो, आई थिंक I've spent good enough time with both Salman sir and Arbaz sir, and both are different individuals, both have different characteristics, and yet the understanding of जो समझ है जो फिल्म बनाने की या फिर कैमरा के सामने या फिर कहानी की, वो बहुत ही गहरी है. I think that also comes a lot from Salim sir and being in the film family and इतने सालों का experience. So काफ़ी हद तक similar है लेकिन फिर भी बहुत अलग है.
Perfect answer.
Miss India, winner. Dude, she doesn't need to play hot. She's actually very hot, by the way. अच्छा, वो लाल ड्रेस की कहानी बताइए.
बहुत minutely देखा है आपने, हाँ? चैतन्य बहुत minutely देखा है. He's saying that you're looking very hot. and he wants you to answer why. In the boardroom. Why in the boardroom were you so hot?
Which boardroom?
Which boardroom?
So-
In that room.
We actually
But in the-
had a scene wherein you were there in the boardroom.
Was I even there? My director concentrated so much on Arbaz in that scene. Thank you so much. I take that as a compliment. You can take the mic back. Freddie can talk about now. I think he wants to work with Sohail Khan now.
You surely weren't bored in that, I'm sure.
One year back, I did Ragini MMS. Now I've just completed Pati Patni Aur Wo. I've completed this. I've also completed another Bengali one called Mismatch 2 for Hoi Choi. All are very different. In each and every one, the entire story is different. The way they've been executed, shot, has been completely different. My roles have been very different from each other. This one is more about, it's more about Arbaz and Tanuj and Freddie. But I'm very happy I'm a part of it. I'm extremely overjoyed and proud. See, because I look nice and they've made me look really nice. But each and every role that I've played so far, which I've completed in my web series, have been really, really amazing.
Freddie,
What in the question, actually?
Freddie, nice to see you here after a long time. First of all, many congratulations for your little bundle of joy. How has life changed for you?
Nothing. Life actually, Poison changed my life, to be very honest. You know, I was a hands-on father till Poison came into my life, and then when I went to my kid, it's like he's looking at me like, "यार इनको कहीं देखा हुआ है," you know. हम लोग के पास टाइमलाइन था पॉइजन डिलीवर का जो टोटल कंटेंट है. एक्चुअली यू नो आपका जो सवाल था कि फिल्मों और वेब सीरीज़ में क्या अंतर है, इट्स ये भी रहता है कि फिल्में जब बनती है तो 150 मिनट की बनती है, और यहाँ पर जो हमने पॉइजन की वेब सीरीज़ बनाई, पर्टिकुलर पॉइजन की बात करें तो करीबन 400 मिनट की बनी हुई है, और जो टाइम फ्रेम है वो कम रहता है. जैसे अरबाज सर ने बताया कि बहुत सारे कंस्ट्रेंट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि टाइमलाइन होता है, बजट कंस्ट्रेंट होता है, प्लस लोकेशन की अवेलेबिलिटी होती है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती है जो एक अच्छी फिल्म या एक वेब सीरीज़, अच्छी वेब सीरीज़ बनाने में जुटती हैं. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास वक्त बहुत कम था और काम ज़्यादा था. 400 मिनट का फुटेज देना था, तो उसके चलते काम थोड़ा ज़्यादा करना पड़ा. फिल्म इनफैक्ट जब बनती है तो काफ़ी वक्त रहता है, बहुत ज़्यादातर काफ़ी फिल्मों में वक्त रहता है. यहाँ पर वक्त कम था, तो ये सबसे बड़ा अंतर रहा है एक्चुअली कोई बाकी की फिल्म और ये वेब सीरीज़ करने में.
Hello. Hi. My question is for Tanuj. Hi.
What's up?
So tell me how you think Poison is different from other crime thrillers shows out there.
See, I haven't seen too many crime thrillers over here. I think the only one I saw recently was Delhi Crime, right? And that is completely rooted in reality. It shows stuff that's actually happening in our country, and it's the entire treatment, the acting, everything is different. As you guys saw on the trailer, and if you did see the first episode, this is full on like dhamakedar, masaledar. It has amazing one-liners. It's highly stylized. It's heightened reality, you know. So we are trying to create a different world, you know. I mean, because I think there's this notion, there's this misconception out there that if you're making a web series, it has to be dark and brooding and have lots of khoon kharaba in it. But we are trying to make something which is not, no, it is dark, but it's definitely for the multiplex audiences as well as for the front benchers as well as for Gaiety Galaxy and Chandan, you know. So we are trying to reach everywhere. So I think that's what makes this different, you know. I mean, there has to be a suspension of disbelief when you watch this show, and full masala.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, so before we go ahead, last two questions. We'll be going ahead with last two questions. We have one at the back, I guess.
Pranati, hi. How's your transition been from modeling to acting? You know, tell us a little bit about your journey.
Hi. So my transition, firstly, this is my first press conference, so I'm just like observing everybody.
You should all round of applause for that. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think, so about my transition, I love the camera. I just love expressing in front of the camera. And I knew this when I was a kid, when I was like 10, 11. But, you know, like most Indians, in the smaller towns, we don't know how to really reach there. So my journey was more from Miss India to India's Next Top Model winner to finally to auditioning for tons of projects. I think I've given some 500 auditions in life till now. Yeah, then to finally making it here to web series. And yeah, I like acting more, I guess, a little. No, I love both. But I think when you're acting, you're not just making sure your postures are right, but you have to deliver dialogues. You have to interact a lot with your co-actor. You have to be able to receive what the actor is saying. So yeah, you have to be very aware, much more than what you're doing as a model. And you have to be very versatile, moldable, like just be able to belong to any age group and be comfortable in any sort of an outfit and not always look stylish and glamorous. So that's a little about my transition. Thank you very much.
She still can win Miss India, I think.
I still can win Miss India. Oh, you like my answer.
Thank you.
Well, do we have any one last question?
Any more questions?
All right, thank you so much, everyone. Well, yes, I am sure that everyone are looking forward for a photo opportunity. So I'll request.
So before we end this, we really on the behalf of Poison team, Z5 and everybody who has been a part of this, we really want to thank all of you for coming here and giving us your precious time. Thank you so much.
I'll request everyone to please step forward and let's go ahead with a group. It's okay, you can hand over the mic. Yep. Well, once again, a big thank you to all of you for being with us. And well, I hope that you people are looking forward to look to the another 10 episodes. And let me tell you that we have the premiere on 19th of April. Make sure you definitely have a look on Z5 app. And we have the high tea served for all of you. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great day ahead. This is your host, Pallavi Shetty, signing off. Thank you.
राइट में या राइट में तीनों गर्ल्स अरे तू अपना तुला ना पाहिजे ना नको घे Thank you.